advisory now in effect until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time Thursday. Timing, through 7 p.m. Thursday winds, south to southwesterly winds of 25 to 30 miles per hour with gusts up to 50 miles per hour will occur at times. Impacts, high-profile vehicles will need to take extra care. Motorists should use caution while driving on area roadways. Outdoor objects could become displaced if not secured properly. A wind advisory means that winds of 35 miles per hour are expected. Winds this strong can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Use extra caution. You're listening to NOAA